Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping materials and cutting precise lengths so your hummingbird shape is accurate. Use 22-24 gauge wire and cut 4-5 cm lengths for wings. Make sure ends are filed to avoid snagging. Next, form a small base loop for the bird's body and leave a 3-4 mm tail to wrap later. Once done, thread a bead for the head and position the small pendant or charm as the tail. This immediate setup sets the scale and balance for the rest. You now shape the wings and join components. Work deliberately so the bird reads as hummingbird-like. With round nose pliers, create a gentle hooked wing profile on each 4-5 cm wire and mirror them for symmetry. That curve gives motion. Position the wings around the base loop and wrap the tail wire 2-3 tight turns to lock them. Thread the head bead before final wraps and trim excess wire. Make small adjustments with chain nose pliers to ensure both. You finish by attaching the earring hook and securing all joins, then check wearability. Make a wrapped loop onto the base loop and slide on the hook. Ensure it opens and closes smoothly. Polish with a soft cloth to remove fingerprints and use a tiny dab of jewelry glue only if a bead feels loose. If alignment is off, do not force. Open the wrap one turn, reposition the wings, and rewrap tightly to correct balance. This preserves shape without weakening the wire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.